Hi, lovely students. Question number 29. But before reading question number 29, do you remember what you have learned in grade 8, unit 4? It is simple past and past continuous. So this question is all about simple past and past continuous. It says like this: it was warm, so I blank off my coat. So we know that simple past tense is used for a completed action, for an action that is completed in a past time. So it was warm is a past indicator. So we're going to choose the past tense form. So which one is past form? Let's see the distractors and the exact answer. Choice A, take. Is this the answer? No, it's not, because take is simple present form. B, took. Very good. Took is the past form of take. It is an irregular form, remember? So irregular forms change themselves. So take in present form is changed into took in a past form. C is taked. This is a distractor. This really is not found in English language, right? Regular verboች ed ፎርምን ይወስዳሉ። ነገር ግን take irregular verb ነው። ed ፎርምን መጠቀም አንችልም. So it is illegal in English language to use ed form for regular verbs. And D, takes. This again is present form. So it's not going to be the answer. So what is the exact answer? Have you recognized the answer? ጎበዝ. The answer is took. So ጎበዝ, because you're the family of ጎበዝ show. Stay up with me. Question number 30. This one takes us to grade 8 of unit 4. The difference between present perfect tense and simple past tense. What is present perfect tense? A present perfect tense is an action that is used for an action which started in the past and still continues. ከድሮ ጀምሮ የጀመረ እስካሁን የሚቀጥል ቴንስን present perfect tense እንለዋለን። ቅድም simple past tense ያልኳችሁ ያለቀ completed የሆነ አሁን ደግማችሁ ማሰሩት ነገር ማለት ነው። So present perfect tense is known for what? For an action which happened immediately right now, or else it tells us something that started in the past and still continues. Question number 30 talks about present perfect tense. It says, in his whole lifetime, Abel blank space snake. Abel በህይወቱ ሙሉ እባብ we're going to come. በህይወቱ ሙሉ, in his whole life is used with present perfect tense. ይሄንን የታይም ኢንዲኬተር የምንጠቀመው ከpresent perfect tense ጋር ነው። So present perfect tense is constructed with has and have, which is followed with past participle form. I have done my homework, Nestor. I have gone to school. You're still in school. So I have learned at cruise for 8 years. ለ8 ዓመታት ስማር ነበር። ጨርሻለሁ ማለት አይደለም. So we're going to choose the correct answer. What are the distractor C's here? A says has never seen. This is wrong. ለምንድን ነው wrong የሆነው? present perfect tense ፎርሙ has ወይንም have ቀጥሎ verb 3 ተጠቀሙ ይላል። ነገር ግን see የሚለው ቃል verb 1 ነው። So it's wrong. B is wrong. Have never seen. It's wrong. ለምንድን ነው wrong የሆነው? አቤል ሲንጉላር ነው። So third person singular ከሆነ we always use has, not have. plural ስላደረገብን distractor ነው። C has never seen. This is the exact answer. D had never seen. D መልስ መሆን አይችልም. Because had ከቪስሪ ፎርም ጋራ የምንጠቀመው ለፓስት ሁለት ድርጊቶች ያላፊ ጊዜን ለማሳየት ብቻ ነው። ሁለት ያለፈ ድርጊት ከሰራን ባለፈ ጊዜያቶች ሁለት ድርጊቶች አልቀው ለነዛ ለማብራሪያ had verb 3ን ለመጀመሪያው ድርጊት እንጠቀምበታለን። ለምሳሌ I had eaten my lunch before I taught you ሁለት ድርጊቶችን ፈጽም ያለው ምግብ መጀመሪያ በላው ቀጥሎ ውሃ ጠጣው መጀመሪያውን ያለውን ነው እሱ past perfect tense የምንጠቀመው so I'm going to deal about this one the next chapter so in his own life የሚለውን ሴንቴንስ ከምን ጋር እንጠቀማለን ከpresent perfect tense ጋር exact ላቤል ፊት የሚያደርገው ምንድነው so choice C is the exact answer so in his own life Abel has never seen a snake በህይወቱ ሙሉ አይቶ አያውቅም ለወደፊት ፈጣሪ ያውቃል ብለን እንለፈው so እስካሁን ድረስ ያደረጋችሁትን ነገር እስቲ በpresent perfect tense እየተጠቀማችሁ ሴንቴንስ መስራት ትችላላችሁ in my whole life what haven't you done in your whole life so I haven't for example been a trader in my whole life yes I haven't seen a tiger in my whole life maybe so produce your own sentence being at home ቤታችሁ ዘና ፈታ ያላችሁ ቁጭ ብላችሁ የራሳችሁን ሴንቴንስ እስካሁን ድረስ ያረኩት ነው እስካሁን ድረስ ያላረኩት ነው እያላችሁ ሴንቴንስ እየሰራችሁ መለማመድ ትችላላችሁ ጎበዝ አካዳሚም ጎበዝ ሾውም ይሄንን ያበረታታችኋል by the way are you amazed with the patterns I have made or I have created for you question number 31 is the next chapter of grade 8 what is in chapter 5 of grade 8 Gobas have you answered the saying it talks about relative pronouns yes this one talks about relative pronouns how many relative pronouns do we know 5 who whom which whose and that and then let me read the questions for you all right the question number 31 says our English teacher blank space lives around the school is a very nice person what is the use of who is used to talk about person to talk about people as a subjective case in the place of the subject for example Mr. Jonathan teaches us English and then look in the subjective case the subject of this sentence is he Mr. Jonathan who teaches us so as a subjective case means after who you're going to use verbs what does whom mean whom is objective case that is the distinct features of relative pronouns Mr. Jonathan teaches us English we love him look the objective case after the relative pronoun we're not going to use verbs bear in mind ምንም አይነት verb መጠቀም ወይንም ግስ መጠቀም አንችልም whom ከሆነ ይሄ ነው distinct featureአቸው ለምሳሌ Mr. Jonathan whom I love is our English teacher whom ካልን በኋላ I ነው የመጣው look at this one so objective case ነው whom and the next one is whose ባለቤትነትን ነው የሚያሳየው possession Mr. Jonathan has a car I'm sorry I don't have a car by the way so Mr. Jonathan has a car can be replaced by Mr. Jonathan whose car is beautiful is a teacher whose car ከwhose ቀጥሎ እኔ ያለኝን ነገር ነው የምጠቀመው that is said to be belongingness ስለዚህ whose ምንን ያሳያል ባለቤትነትን whom ምንን ያሳያል ኦብጀክት መሆኑን ተደራጊ መሆኑን ለምሳሌ whom I love በሚለው ሚስተር ዮናታን ተወዳጅ መሆኑን ያሳያል whom ምንን ያሳያል ሰብጀክቲቭ ኬዝ መሆኑን ሰብጀክቲቭ ማለት በሰብጀክቱ አድራጊ መሆኑን ሚስተር ዮናታን who teaches verb መጥቷል ማለት ነው and C is which ለቃ ነው የምንጠቀመው። ለምሳሌ this is a material which I use it to write on a paper. This is a board which is used to teach. So ማቴሪያል ነው የምናወራው። and ዛት የምትለዋ ዲ ላይ ያለችው ምርጫ እሷ ስፔሻል ነች፣ ለሁሉም ልንጠቀማት እንችላለን። ነገር ግን non defining relative clause ትባላለች። defining relative clause ትባላለች። So there are two clauses, non defining relative clause and defining relative clause. non defining relative clause ማለት ነው ኮማ ያለው ሴንቴንስ ውስጥ ነው የምንጠቀማቸው ሁሉንም። ዛት ግን restrictive or defining relative clause ትባላለች። why? ኮማ ባለበት ሴንቴንስ ውስጥ በፍጹም እንዳትጠቀሙ። this is a trick. so Mr. Jonathan, who teaches us English, is a nice teacher የሚለው ሴንቴንስ ልክ ነው። ኮማን ተጠቅመናል ለመከፋፈል additional information ለመስጠት። ዛት በሚለው ሴንቴንስ ውስጥ ግን ምንም አይነት ኮማ መጠቀም አንችልም። ይሄ non restrictive ይባላል። so you're going to answer the question. Our English teacher blank lives around the school is a very nice person. ከዳሹ ቀጥሎ ያለው ምንድን ነው? remember noun ነው? verb ነው? very good, it's a verb. ስለዚህ ከቨርብ ጋር የምንጠቀመው ማን ነው? a who is the exact answer. I have no hesitation that you're going to answer. ምንም ጥርጣሬ የለኝም እንደምትመልሱት እርግጠኛ ነኝ።